Good morning, everyone. Today we would like to present for you our company that we have chosen for social cooperation and enterprise. We have chosen Toys R Us. My name is Yasser, and this is Ali,
Hello.
and that's Moeen.
Hey.
And first, I would go with the introduction.
Angelica.
For the introduction part, the company uses for analysis is Toys R Us. They sell all this kind of toys for kids, and we will be talking about the social collaboration and social networking tools that the company used, and as mentioned above, recommendation and social solutions for our company adopt. And then the next one, it's a company background. Toys R Us, it's an American manufacturing company, established but was founded by in the year 1948. And the company brands include Toys R Us and Babies R Us. They have two different fields. First, it's generally all the kids, and secondly, it specify all the newborn kids. They provide for them the dressings and all this equipment for breastfeeding and stuff. So the company brands include Toys R Us, and the company owns 866 toys from Toys R Us, and Baby R Us are in the United States. So they have 866 in the United States, and more than in Rico, which is Brazil, more than 750 international stores all over the globe, and more than 245 licensed stores in 37 countries. In justification, next will be existing social collaboration, which is going to be covered by Ali.
Okay.
All right. Hello, everybody. So, as my group member already given you the company outline and company background, now we're gonna see what the social collaboration tools are being used by Toys R Us. As you know, it's a very popular giant manufacturer for toys and kids playthings and everything. So they use actually two main collaborative tools. One is EDI, Electronic Data Exchange, and the second one is Logic Broker. I'm gonna break down these each one by one in every slide. So what is EDI? Basically, EDI, Electronic Data Inter-Exchange, is basically when the company uses a certain type of software to share information, critical information like sales and everything between other companies. Like just now, my group member just mentioned they have around about 700 plus branches all worldwide, so they need to exchange information like critical information. So electronic data inter-exchange helps them to make a central database, and that database transfers other important information to other branches and other franchises. So it helps branches exchange information in different companies, and it helps also creates a standard protocol for data. All the information is covered under a standard protocol, so all the information is completely secured, and it's only decrypted by the people who have the authority. So what kind of information is really exchanged? So let's see. It allows you to view and analyze performance and sales performance through meaningful reports. So it's conduct reports, and it shows how your performance, and you can compare it with past records. Also, other departments benefit from these reports. That includes finance department, sales department, marketing department, also purchasing department. So it provides vital information for each of these departments so they can proceed with their own functions. All right, generating high-level summaries, product activity in different segments of your business. So what this is basically it generates a collective report for everything from managers of senior level to make critical decisions, important decisions. It basically summarizes all the information together, so key decisions and key planning can take place. It also offers a wide range of extra services. For example, the shipping processes. You can track any of the shipments you want by the information that is being used by EDI. EDI helps you take out key information, so you can use that information to inquire about the shipping. Has it reached properly? Has it been received by the customer? The other thing is being used is another type of EDI. It's called Logic Broker. So what Logic Broker does is it helps retailers, suppliers, and logistics providers, and all kinds of business related people to exchange information. And it's obviously because we live in an internet age, so everything is done very fast. So this Logic Brokers actually helps you to efficiently to use time and to manage time efficiently. It also speeds up popular alternative to receiving others via email or fax. So once you're set up with the EDI system, so all the things that are being input in the EDI system are automatically exchanged into the format that is required by EDI. So this format is a very strict protocol. Every information that flows in between this is just key information that is being used by these managers and junior managers. So what else do they have? They have social collaborative tools. Obviously, Facebook being the most popular social platform, many companies decide to go over Facebook and construct a page, which is very convenient. It just takes a matter of a few minutes. With Facebook and its popularity, you can put pictures, promotions, or any seasonal offers that include with that you're willing to provide for every year. You can put new programs or schemes or new toys, and you can have a real big fan page with Facebook. Other thing they use is Twitter. Twitter is a very, very interesting platform. As you can see, Twitter provides a very small dialog box, and in that dialog box you can post comments or queries regarding your company, and immediately the staff of Toys R Us is going to reply to you. So this is very convenient, as in the olden times people had to use service centers, which is very, very inconvenient. You have to wait and listen to that boring tune of the waiting in line procedure. So the third one and the last one is SMS procedure. They also, every time you buy from Toys R Us, you are likely to register with them, and they take some of your critical information. They take your mobile number, so anything that is being come up, or they just track your purchases and see what you're most likely interested in. For example, if you have an infant and you need things for the infant, basic necessities, so they can tell you if they have any new items and new products. So now, recommendations will be presented by my co-group, Mr. Moin Jawi.
Alright guys, I'll be presenting the recommendation. Alright, we have 5 recommendations. The first one is, presence is not enough. What this means is, like a mere presence on social media platforms, it's not enough for a company to actually, benefit from it. So what they have to do is, they have to work the social media. They have to keep their social media accounts updated, they have to post the new offers, the new promotions, the new pictures, the new toys, whatever that they're launching, right? Toys R Us has to actually, stay updated, keep the users updated. The second is, this Toys R Us should work with the social media influencers, and these influencers are like famous personalities who are famous on Facebook, or celebrities. Those who actually have pull on Facebook, they can actually bring their future customers onto the social media platforms. The second is entertaining shopping experience. This is actually a relatively not a new concept, but it's packaged in a new way. Now it's known as retailment. What this means is it's like adding the concept of entertainment and experiences to the retail market. What this means is, like, for example, whenever a new movie is launched, toy stores generally have a movie section themed for the toys. For example, Avengers, right? Avengers had Marvel toys and Toys R Us, and they actually arranged themes for it. So what happens is, when you enter that section of the store, it's completely of that movie. All the toys are regarding the movie. So that's the theme brand sections. Second is like the recent fad is the conventions, which are also known as cons. There are many conventions now: Comic Cons, Fan Cons, Pokemon Cons. What these are, there are conventions of all the entertainment industry enthusiasts. They gather together. So what Toys R Us could do is, Toys R Us could actually organize these kind of conventions in their own stores. So this would actually bring in more customers to their stores. Now the third recommendation is targeted social media marketing. We'll use 3 examples. Lego, which is the very famous company which makes toys for kids. What they've done is they use their social media account to work on the nostalgia of the adults right now. So what they do is they play on their childhood memories. So the adults make their children follow their own experiences, follow their own likings. So what happens is They work on the adults make the kids buy, and they also work. Lego has actually released quite a few successful movies. So what they've done is they've used it, their expertise, and transferred it to movies to get to make their name brand more famous. And the second example is Hot Wheels. What Hot Wheels does is it usually targets toys for kids, right? Now what they're doing is they're releasing collector editions, and these collector edition toys, they've published them on the social media accounts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and they play on the adults, right? So the adults go in line, wait in line, because these are very rare collector items. They wait in line for a day or two, and then they get these products. Now, and there's another third big toy company, it's known as Funko. What they do is they organize social media competitions on Facebook, and they have very basic competitions, and the winner gets prizes, which is like in the shapes of gift cards, new collector items, and anything else. Now, the conclusion part. Toys R Us apparently has used technologies, information technology, to reduce costs and overhead expenses. They've reduced shortages for their products, which actually plagued their business model. Now what they've done is they've actually improved the speed and everything, but they're lacking in the social media aspect. So what they need to do, in our opinion, is to go for targeted social media marketing, which means combining what you call the latest of their products, create a buzz on the social media, collaborate with social influencers just to create a hype, make people know. Yeah, they have to spread that they're in the market, they're in the happening, they're producing new and exciting products. And the next step would for what you call Toys R Us is to step into the gaming world, gaming and movie world. Other toy companies have done that step. They're actually in the example of Lego, you see they're actually making huge amounts of profit. So what Toys R Us's next step should be to step into the gaming world and the movie world and expand their influence. Thank you. That's it for our presentation. Hope you had a fun time.